What is the most irritating error for you during your integration till and now?
Oh
This
man.
for the kind of personal question.
Yeah, yeah. Like HTTP status error. Like, man, I hate 504s. I hate like it when I get like a authentication error where I'm like, okay, did I put the wrong password in? Or is my user not set up correctly? Or do I have the wrong roles? Or like there's a litany of problems that could be wrong with that one. And I'm like, where do I even begin? Like, where do I even start with this one? Like authentication error on what? Like which one is it? And then security for the reasoning, it's supposed to be done that way. It's it's obscure where they're just like, nah, there was an authentication error, man. Like, I'm not gonna tell you what it was. Like it was a problem. And
Like,
then you got to figure it out. And it's like, man, I don't know. Like, ah, man, I hate that one. I hate
okay.
like it. Oh, any authentication error, like, and it could be, especially if you're doing signed requests. Oh man, and you've got like a bite off or something, and you're trying to do the signature, and all you're getting is an authentication error, and you're like, I know I signed the request correctly. I'm pretty sure. I mean, I'm pretty sure I did. I don't know. Maybe the algorithm's wrong. I have no idea. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a pain. It's a
I
pain.
understand that it involves a lot of parties, right? It start with
Oh
the client,
man.
then it go to network, and then it comes to you. You have to copy, paste it. So that's why it is most irritating when it get wrong. I
And
understand.
then and then you've got, and you know what's the worst, and I if anybody on ops is listening, please cover your ears. The ops guys always change the passwords on stuff and don't tell you. And you're like, why did you change the password? Like, you
And
didn't
not
tell,
telling
like,
me.
why didn't you tell me? Like, I'm the person that, like, you called me at 2 a.m. Like, wouldn't you have called me to tell me you changed the password? Yeah. Yeah. You called me
Yep,
when it
this
was broken. Yeah.
this is a real experience which you are talking, right? All
Yeah.
this you already experienced, and most of us are also experiencing the same in all organizations. So I understand completely.